Hi, my name is Treasure McClung, and I'm going to be doing the dissection of a cow eye today. We're going to take a look at it. And we have the outer part of the eye. All of this that you see here is connective tissue and muscle. In humans, we have 6 muscles that control the eye. This piece back here, as you can see right here that I'm pointing at, is the optic nerve in the back of the eye. That is what leads to the brain and sends impulses to our brain. I'm just going to cut away all this connective tissue and muscle so we can get to the actual part of the eye. Be careful not to cut the optic nerve. Well, this is tough tissue. They said it was tough. I didn't realize it was this tough. Okay, now that we're getting this peeled away, I don't want to cut a whole lot of this from the back of the eye because I don't want to accidentally cut the optic nerve. So now we can see the optic nerve a lot better. So now I am going to cut in the cornea right here. And when I do, we'll be able to see the clear fluid that comes out of it, and it's the aqueous humor. I hope I said that right. You can see it. Ooh, yeah, all that gooey loveliness is the aqueous humor coming out. It is to help cushion the eye and give support. It's what makes the eye round. I'm gonna make a cut now in the sclera. Try not to damage anything on the inside of the eye. It also will have fluid coming out. Just cut. Ooh, that's hard. You hear the crunch. Okay, so now you can see the jelly-filled liquid back here. I don't know if you can see in my hand. That is the vitreous humor. It is also what gives the shape of the eye and helps support it. So now, I'm going to, trying to think what I want to do. I'm going to remove this vitreous humor here surrounding the lens. Clearing all that out right there. It's kind of goopy. Right here, you can see the lens. Around here is the I'm trying to think. Oh, it's like the pupil contracts. It helps the muscles right here help dilate. I'm gonna pop this lens out real quick. Okay, so here, I don't know if you can see this little hole here on the back. That is actually where the pupil is. This part here, let me see if I can pull out the iris part. Okay, so I don't guess I really need to pull that out, but this black is kind of like the iris. It is the part that contracts and dilates to help us see more, allow more light into the eye. This, we have this little hard marble looking thing. That is the lens, and the lens, it's what helps light come into the eye and make images. And that's all the interior part of the eye. Now moving to the posterior part of the eye, these tweezers aren't that great. This little sheet-like thing that we're moving around is the retina. It is at the posterior part of the eye. The retina is made of cells that detect light, and it's attached at the back of the eye. If you can see, like, it moves around everywhere except for that one little spot where it's hung up, and that spot that it's hung up is called our blind spot. And the blind spot, there is no light sensitive cells back there. That's why it's called our blind spot. And so the blind spot leads back here to the optic nerve, and that is where all the light images will go through this nerve here to our brain, and that's what helps create the images. So this bluish, shiny, that layer there, I'm trying to think. Cornea sclera. Cornea sclera. The cord layer. Carotid. I'm trying to say how you say it, choroid layer. It is what is between the sclera and the retina layer. This layer here, the different colored greenish pigment kind of color there, is what helps animals see at night better than humans do. Humans don't see very well at night. So that, I believe, is it. That's all the eyeball. Thanks.